Hello boys and girls. Now Jennifer going to show you how to make some artwork with leaves. I have picked some leaves from my backyard, rose leaf, bamboo leaf, and some grass. You can go to the backyard or front yard to pick some leaves at home with daddy mommy. And I also have some sticks. I need this material like glue and scissors. First I cut a white paper like this, big, my scissor, and then you can start. First you can put some leaf and put some glue on the rose leaf in the back side, and then you can put it on the paper anywhere you like. Okay, and leaves, one more big leaf, and another one, and bamboo leaf. The bamboo leaf is very long leaf. I love bamboo. In my backyard I have golden bamboo. I can make this leaf, different shape. And now I use some grass. More grass. Anywhere you like to put it. And the long leaf, long grass. Some small leaf. And this more is very easy, very simple. You can do it at home anytime. You can make different artwork with the leaves. It looks very nature. And we will have some stick, but it's a little bit hard to put the glue on the stick. You need to be very careful with the glue. Look, I put it right here next to the leaf, and one more stick. Wow, so pretty. Look, just a few minutes I can make a artwork with the leaves, but it's still wet. You can leave it dry on the table. So I can show you what I make. Do you like it? Yeah, it looks very nature, huh? Okay. Yeah, you can make it at home anytime. Thank you. Bye.